open this one.
Waliwo amasagali eyo.
You want to open this one.
Oyagala. Hey, hello, side. Why you my camera catching you? Why like that?
Why no focus on this one? You electrical.
Big eyes, big eyes. Why? You focus on
I
the
done
one,
open.
bro. Huh? Kalas na ye. Focus there, bro.
Radio talking. What's the name of this compressor?
Muli wengendo obusajja simanyo bwagala ki. Tutwale compressor eno wali. Bro. Hey. Bro. Let's carry this compressor there and we open it from there. Huh?
Oh, there's a piston. We need to open it.
So it's just a fuse. Just
A piston. No such piston. A piston.
yeah.
What's the name of this compressor?
This one compressor.
A connector rod. What's the name of this compressor? Air compressor. A piston here. What's the name of this compressor?
This one type compressor.
Is it your simple displacement or dynamic? Where does it fall? Does it fall under dynamic?
Jiggy na ye. Girlfriend na ye. Only smoking, huh?
We need to open it.
You need to open the pipe. You need to open the problem, huh?
No, which problem?
Problem na ye.
You not seeing this one?
You remove this nut, this bolt.
Oil put checking that.
It has oil,
After tight, huh?
but no gasket. If it starts,
Wait a go, this gasket.
not only here, even here.
Even this part we need to open.
Where leaking, I don't know, huh?
Here.
Leaking when putting oil is nearing down, it leaks sometimes.
Nyade nyangana kuja ino piston. Wait, the screw there. Ngala is good.
Rikone muko.
Nom saja, awai ni apa nom.
Olno kulaga practical. We mikono emirimu. Njagala kukwata video bulungi naye baba waliwo abasajja.
Checking, where leaking? At the place only tight, huh?
No, this is practical after thing.
Huh?
We are doing practical. Oyo mugamba gwe
Small screwdriver. Start.
anonye walaga. No electric my machine for driver.
And the impeller also clean. Then we can this one.
This one.
So this one inside you clean with what?
Yeah, cleaning.
This one
Don't
is,
have too much.
no, let them, you are
Okay.
This one is called housing.
Yes. Okay. Housing need to clean. The clearance maybe depend on the rust. The clearance is little maybe more than the clearance. Or maybe it will come 1 mm clearance near between the impeller and the body. Maybe after rusting the clearance is big, the pressure is low. So that time we need to clear this one. First you clean, then we can check it. We can connect to the pumping line and we can check the service. You can check here. The motor is working. Good one. Only pump is there. Pump have no pressure. You need to clean this one also. This one is bad.
Also, we need to.
To clean. Okay. tumbler in here also.
Can you use this one?
We use some nose player. Yeah, this one.
Also, when it's like this, meaning it's broken, eh?
No,
You
this
ask
one
her
is
what is
brass,
this?
brass.
What is this? Sanimper. Sanimper.
Yeah, and where is the shop? Ask them.
Shop.
Shop, ask them.
This
Sharp,
the
sharp,
yeah.
sharp,
Yeah, you
sharp,
have
sharp.
How can you remove that?
Yeah.
Full sharp.
Remove.
What thing? Yeah, sharp is the armature. Is
Armature,
armature
yeah.
all together connected with single armature. No coupling here. In big pump, we will coupled with separate.
Okay.
Pump separate, motor separate. This one is small one. That one same shaft. We can use. Single shaft. Armature is connected to shaft. The pump also connected with the
I
shaft.
don't know what
We can
about
remove
that.
But I want
with
to
the
see
only.
how to remove.
Eh?
I want to see how to remove this.
Yeah, if
one
you
out of
remove this one, we need to remove the motor also.
The rotor starting this shaft is starting from this side. So it's just one
Yes.
shaft, rotor up to this side.
Yeah, this
Just
is
one
what I
shaft.
tell them,
It's not,
yeah.
it's
Yeah.
not coupled in
But
between.
you can turn here and see there. Yeah, don't ask something which did not make sense.
Big
Whatever
motor,
is there, they ask.
big pump set. This is separate. It's coupled with the coupled. This one no coupling. Single shaft. Small pump.
Stator and rotor. So this is the rotor.
Yeah, that's
Having one- having one
teach them,
shaft.
yeah.
You see?
Ask
Yeah,
them.
I
You
see.
see?
I see.
Yeah, no
What
need
is
to.
this? Listen, what is
Okay,
this and
you-
this?
To remove this one, you have to remove
Shaft,
the,
shaft.
the motor.
Listen, what is this?
This is the shaft.
Shaft.
Huh?
It's sharp. I know it's sharp.
No, you don't know. Ask
Oh,
what is this?
Sharp.
Yeah,
That's
good.
my sharp.
Yeah. What is this?
Mechanical
That's
seal.
why.
Huh?
Mechanical seal.
This is mechanical seal?
Yeah.
No,
No, this spring.
yeah, it's inside the
Section
mechanical seal. We said we were just about
Yeah. Nayo. Nanga nene liwa gulu.
Let us first.
Katoba wano. Anti wano kwalta bulungi kubanga sigenda okulaga vesiyo.
No, we want to remove this one. Let us
Tugenda kuja kochi.
because this is not this is what is holding you.
Oh.
Where they get that thing, lift it here. Just clean there, remove the dust.
Usually yana
I will come, Magar. I will come.
After
No.
No, here come, Magar.
No, maybe
Yeah,
you
just
ask
open.
Albert. But I don't think so. We don't have. Gwe, kebo eyo nyimpi. Pako. Hey. Oh. Ona baadaye agala kwate okuyasa esimu.
Musala gwanize nsaba.
Naye kirungi esimu eno si ya bbeeyi nnyo kubanga
Musala.
ena oil. Ask question, great questions, bro.
Great question. Third question. No question. First working,
Soko kone muko?
Soka no jirete.
Oba kona muko. Kubanga ejakuwa nona nanga ni minus.
Downside blade no bend, blade. Blade. Injapkan,
Gani?
Use the other one.
Other screwdriver take.
Kati genda ko kusumula koyo obe yeganye eyongere maaso. Kwata simu kuyambe koyo.
Kati nyina oil na kwa.
Kozesa kati nanga.
No corners for the span.
Yeah.
Use this one.
No nut have. It has no nut.
No nut. Easy. No support.
Since eno sumule joli kona. Sumule.
Easy.
Sumule.
Easy.
Aiwa. Cannot take one.
No bado zinaza.
This is a reciprocating compressor. This is a reciprocating compressor which uses a piston system.
There's also a screw type.
Well, wadozanya. Ati no kuzuku. Badawe wewe. Musiti kremesa mugambe just in the diesel yafuko.
Imani nayo
Omanya abakaze entegera yawe nayo
mama wange. Do you have like
Hey, Papa, it has oil, eh?
Yo, Mr. Bama.
Ghana language, me I know understand. Yeah? You just pointing.
No, that guy is mad. He's just mad.
You understand?
He's mad.
But this is the Toyota, they don't understand.
Go to the quack damage.
Oh, you mean the
You are just backing. Human.
Chewy. We don't know chewy, bro. We don't know chewy. Do it like this so that the oil comes out. Let's go this oil back. Oil is just we don't even have a tea. Cleaning. Casket. Yeah. Just turn it down, the oil comes out. But not let it going inside. Oil can't come this side.
That guy, I thought the guy is barking. I thought he had become a dog. I was just confused. You give me that cloth. What have you? The guy is quack. I thought the guy is mad.
This guy.
He needs mental treatment. So is this a pneumatic system?
Huh?
Pneumatic system?
No, it's operated by Oh, you mean, this is pneumatic, because air comes inside.
Yeah.
Air and then
Oh, this is a reservoir.
Yeah, it's a reservoir. So air comes inside after being reduced to size, and then the pressure comes out. The same one they use for spray painting, for vehicles, what.
So, wait, the other... No, I want the other one.
What?
Allen key.
No, just like this, my friend. You want us to remove everything?
I want to copy this one.
The shaft. Let's see. But once we remove what's the...
This one.
Oh, this one is coupled to the shaft for the motor. So we remove the state as well? Or just
No,
like
after cannot use
them they are saying at this one okay. Unless they want to do doing the wiring, when you can remove. You understand it?
Yeah.
No, gasket just
Yes.
He said he's going to give.
Yeah, it's gasket.
Yeah, he told say that. It's good.
Inside
You get scrape at the gasket there.
Wrapper, emery paper.
So you have been kerosene here, using cleaning everything, looking new kerosene. Or degreaser.
You ask this guy, kerosene camera.
This guy has kerosene.
Kerosene, racks, everything there.
mmanyi ne gasket waliwo gasket gye bakoza ku acid simanyi bayitala
yendi eno spiral waliwo eza acid then waliwo eza hot temperature that is steel metallic gasket naye eno gindi eno compressed nane asbestos compressor gasket zino zetukozesa eza bulijjo
girasi zo jali kuzigirinya eno oil egenda mala wano ebbanga na aluminium hizo
aluminium causing a galvanized aluminium aluminium tasobola kukola ekyo aluminium abeera soft this is steel Anna which metal is this one where which metal is this one which metal is this one is this steel or aluminium this is steel aluminium
That's coming or coming here?
no this metal name aluminium steel
Name, huh?
material
material
Don't know. Maybe aluminium? Huh?
aluminium this one
I don't know. Huh?
steel
Steel? Steel heavy. This one light material.
this one light material
Yeah.
no this one no light material
No, broken. Sometimes broken. This one hammering, broken. Huh?
kusingawo you have brought a soda you have brought some soda
Oh, you mean some soap? Just a few.
this one for cleaning
Which one? You mean some clothes?
yes. Peter, do you know this material
Huh?
this material
Material. That material is not cast iron.
cast iron
Cast iron. Or maybe aluminum. I doubt it is aluminum. It's the cast iron, maybe cast iron. That soap material that should be soap.
this one is not a soft material
That inside the mouth.
etagaki musajja we Can we bathe it? Can we bathe it?
What do you mean?
Can we bathe it?
You mean what?
Hmm?
You dip in, you clean a bit. That's how you clean our body. You want to do what?
Bathe it.
Bathe it. What does it mean? It's bathe.
Ah, he's blessing you. You are going to get a lot of soil next week.
You, my friend, listen.
It is a blessing if you don't.
It was waiting for me to come so that
It blesses you. Now, even you have been sitting here, but it didn't bless me, meaning that it was waiting for you.
I'll feel it now.
You feel it? Be blessed, bro.
The bed yours.
Be blessed, bro.
My friend, you fit it.
Receive your blessing in full.
You say, I take it. I receive it. Yankarabasa, mama, mama, mama.
With pieces, what kind of blessings are those?
All those blessings are from God.
My friend.
So you are not a believer. You are not
But
a believer.
if a bed poops on you, it's a blessing from God.
Yes. Blessings come from where? Not from up.
Yeah, from up.
Yes, then that one has come from down.
Yeah, crazy.
Sabuni ndasobola okujjako oilo kunaganya.
Taba bange nzirako. Ono musajja
Njako jasi bucha.
alina experience ya myaka 3.
Oba ya myaka 10. Agamba nti experience is the best.
Cheater. Is it true?
Yeah.
That experience is the best cheater.
Not teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher.
So can you accept somebody with experience to teach you?
With experience. Yes, yeah, you have the knowledge you have.
How about he had a poor experience, a negative experience?
Yeah, it gives you a negative experience.
Well, for me, I don't allow somebody
Like them
with experience
for a long time.
because we had a way we could complete that statement at school. Experience is the best teacher to fool. How can you wait to experience something, then you say, oh, now I've learned?
You have learned. Sometimes there are some knowledge you acquire.
No,
Yeah, that's true.
that's being foolish if you
That's
don't
true.
know.
When you go in the industry and what you're taught in at school, some are different. You won't even find it.
Experience is the best cheater. So if
you went to school, did they tell you that you find one day you start working on the ship? All alone you.
no, for me, I went to school well knowing that I have to be a mechanic.
Yeah, and then now they told you that you start working on the ship.
Nobody told me. I knew my destination.
Yeah, so that's destination. They didn't specify that you was working on the ship. So you came here, started working on the ship.
So is that an experience?
Yeah?
Is that an experience?
No, that's knowledge.
There you are coming.
Now you are afraid, eh?
For me, I only accept somebody to teach me, somebody who has knowledge, but somebody with experience. How can you teach me with your experience? I need knowledge, not your experience.
But there are some things, that's what I'm saying. Some things, knowledge is there, but how you go about it? They will tell you the parts here, the parts here, what is involved in this. Now, assembly, practically. Yeah, the knowledge you have and practical school, but there are some things which you need to know, learn from the industry.
So that is
They'll tell
experience.
you the parts of this are this, are this, are this, are this. Now go there, physically and go and do it.
So even for you couldn't do practicals in your school?
We are doing practicals, but not as in for everything.
Sorry for you, Papa.
Awukyetagisa ka brush genda obeka Albert.
Kyagala nkabirire.
Bro.
How do you say hospital in your language?
What?
How do you say hospital in your language?
Chipatala.
Hmm?
Chipatala.
In Bemba?
My language, what is my language?
I don't know.
Super what?
Eh?
Super dad.
Chipatala.
The chupadar.
Eduardo, we say Eduardo.
Edward.
Yeah, hospital.
That's hospital.
Yeah, not a chipada. You.
Kurwara means somebody is sick. Kurwara.
Okulwala then nogenda mu hospital mu ddwaliro omulwadde agenda mu ddwaliro omulwadde a sick person goes to the hospital agenda mu ddwaliro omulwere. It's quite the same.
You understand? Your language is not different, but your language is different.
Uganda.
Big one, 2 HP, 4 HP.
So you mean if we are talking you don't get?
I don't even hear.
Ah,
You guys.
Do you eh?
oyagala okuyuwa.
Ayo.
Yuwa basaidiye eno bambi. But you brought small water what?
You can't confuse him again.
It doesn't have degreaser, it doesn't have kerosene.
So he said he gave you soap.
Yeah. The one uses
He's going to suffer with me today.
Baba, relax.
huh?
Relax, don't worry.
He's going to suffer with me.
Just wait for your for your top up again.
Yeah?
You don't need that top-up blessing.
Nabo musajja wo
Ali.
jingani akozesa amaanyi.
Yeah, akozesa amaanyi okusinga obwongo. Why does your bro uses a lot of energy instead of that brain? Jingani. He uses a lot of energy instead of using the brain. That's why we were released from the other side of they looked at him and he was working. I told him, Baba, it's Baba. He was like, no, you. Now they picked him up. This guy is good. Yet at the end you get small salaries for them, they are getting out of money. But we had to open this one too. Tetwena kasupana akagula one.
Namba 8 10 tulina
Naine lyanda likola lino.
Bacha. Tools.
Kaweze dakika sasa.
Asatu.
Takutulota nikaka lagi. Tapi kita